today's video, going to be replacing the temperature sensor on this V6 Sonata. I'm going to go ahead and take off the negative. Off camera, I took off the splash shield. There's 510s that hold it in on this front, which covers this drain petcock. Number 3 Phillips. I drained it off camera though. When you're draining, go ahead and remove the cap to let it drain faster. 8mm. Now for the lower radiator hose, we're going to take it off at the thermostat housing. $19mm. There's two types of connections. One is a 3-pin square, rectangle technically, and the one that I initially bought was a circle with a 2-pin. Once I bought the part, removed the old one, and I saw that it was incorrect. So make sure you buy the correct one. From O'Reilly's, this is the part number. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put it in. It's a pipe thread fitting, so it doesn't bottom out, it just kind of snugs up. Plug it in. Just grab some universal yellow since this is what came out. Topped it off. Now I'll go ahead and put our battery. So you're just going to go over your connections, making sure nothing's leaking. Put the heat on high. That'll cycle the heater core. And we're just going to keep an eye on it. Alright, it's been on for about 15 minutes. Sitting at idle, it's holding at 170. And now you can see we're getting heat out the vents. So we know our heater core is good. Driving it around town, still under half. We're at 200. We're good to go. And that's how you replace the temp sensor on these Sonatas. Hopefully this video helps you. You have a good one.